Here are the high points of the 2014 Infiniti QX70. Connecting your phone to the vehicle via Bluetooth is a straightforward process. The clear instructions on the touchscreen menu will make for a hassle-free procedure. The spare tire and jack kit are packaged together beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for quick removal and easy setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. There are two separate engine air filters in both the driver and passenger sides of the engine bay. The filter assemblies disengage from the housings without the use of tools, allowing you to quickly slide out their trays and remove the filters themselves. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The headlights have rather convoluted access. Those in the main housing will require a panel to be removed from the engine bay before they can be reached, and for the fog light in particular, you will need to pry back the wheel well lining first. All of these procedures will require tools and may end up being time-consuming processes. You must remove a cover and a large panel from the back of the passenger side of the engine bay in order to change the battery. This will require multiple different tools and will demand a cramped reach in order to lift the battery out. The entire glove box housing will need to be removed for access to the cabin air filter. Not only will this require many tools, but the housing will also prove bulky and cumbersome to remove. Overall, the 2014 Infiniti QX70 is a rather difficult car to maintain, but it might be a good fit for those with prior knowledge in vehicle maintenance.